We're turning Woolies hot cross buns into hot cross bun waffles with chocolate fudge sauce and tin roof ice cream. The hot cross buns turn into waffles in seconds. So the first thing we're going to start with is our chocolate hot fudge sauce. And the first thing you need is condensed milk. I don't need a reason to use condensed milk ever. There aren't a lot of ingredients in the sauce. It is a very rich sauce, but you don't need that much of it. A little bit goes a long way. And I like making a big batch so I can keep some in the fridge and just reheat it in the microwave if I need to. Look how thick that is. And that's the difference between a normal chocolate sauce and a chocolate fudge sauce. You could take your hot cross buns and put them directly into the waffle iron. You're gonna get that crispy exterior and still a fluffy inside, but we want more texture. So because of that, we're gonna do eggs, cream, a little bit of sugar, and that's called a royale. We're gonna add the hot cross buns to that. It's gonna soak up all that eggy custard goodness. Then it's gonna go in the waffle iron, and it's so easy to make. So while your waffles are still hot, hit it with a generous, I say generous, amount of that fudge sauce. Ooh. We're doing tin roof ice cream, but by all means go and use vanilla, almond on the top. Look, it's only Easter once a year, and if you want to impress your guests, this is how you do it. This is a portion for one. No, it's not. It's not. It's gonna feed about like 6 people. 6 buns, a bun per person. Ignore the audience. Make this.